Okay guys, we are installing the Fir Pergola today, and a little fence section here with a 3-foot gate. We just started to put our beams up for the pergola, just getting everything squared up. So I'll put this on and we'll get some good video of everything. Hey, worry about marking all those first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're checking, so like 171 3/4, right? Yeah. Okay. Just write it. Hey, write it down.
It is written down, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah, because these are priority, because as soon as these are cut, we can put them up. Those we could cut after, or those can get cut as we put these up. Sounds good.
Oh wow.
What?
The forge is just
Oh, like
so much better. Go up in here, James?
that's their dog, right?
I think so. Right there. It's pretty good.
What's up?
Hold this beam for Noah.
That good? There still?
Yep.
Good still?
Yep. And you didn't cut those yet. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 in total. So I think you should just work from the center. See like this, James?
Yeah.
I can't see it at all. Like you gotta trace it a little darker. Because I can't see it.
It's okay.
And when I don't see things, I just blow. So you're gonna GRK down.
Yeah, I'm just trying to. So what's the total of those?
There's 12.
12. Okay. So. One there. Well, I kind of. Then we can't really go center because this is an odd number to go center.
Hmm. Man.
Are we gonna put some right on the edge, or are we gonna keep it off a bit?
Where to where?
From the bottom to your thing there.
I got 5 1/4, so come to me. So now I'm 5 3/4.
Pretty close.
5 3/4 right there. There? 5 3/4? Yeah. All right. And I didn't wear a belt today, so it's like things aren't really going my way. Honestly. You want to make measurements or nah?
For what?
Like from there to there? Or?
Like on the other side?
No, because you have that one like squared off, or I don't really think. Yeah, looks good. What? Yeah. This beam on the inside in the front is a lot straighter than the beam in the front. So just measure off that. Where are you at?
Where's?
Okay. We need more of those screws.
I got
122. Right here.
move that bin there.
Ken S. My mark.
Hey, just cut it there.
Oh, it's right here. T and S my mark.